Let me show you how to manage the previous driver position in ezLoads. Let's get started. Driver position in a load helps track the driver's last known location and calculate empty miles correctly. Usually, the system suggests the correct position, but sometimes it doesn't appear as expected. Why does this happen? Here are the most common cases. It's the driver's first load in ezLoads. Loads were entered in the wrong order, or the delivery date of the previous load is later than the new load's pickup date. Let's see how to fix each case step by step. Case 1. First load for the driver in ezLoads. If the driver has never had a load in ezLoads before, the system won't be able to suggest a previous position. Only pickup and delivery locations will be available. How do you handle this? You have two options. In the trip info section, manually override empty miles if the previous position isn't needed, or set a custom starting location. We'll cover this in detail later. Either way, your distance calculation will be accurate. Case 2. Loads entered in the wrong order. Let's say you add a load for a driver from Chicago to Denver. Later, you realize that before this trip, they had completed a previous load from New York to Chicago. Since the system didn't see that earlier load when you first created the Chicago to Denver trip, it doesn't automatically set the correct previous position. To fix this, you can click on the driver position drop-down and select the correct previous load. That's it. Once you update it, the system will adjust the empty miles accordingly. Case 3. Previous delivery date is after new pickup date. This can happen for two reasons: incorrectly entered dates and early delivery with a new load assigned. To fix this, you need to check the delivery and pickup dates for both loads. Open the previous load and adjust the actual delivery date. Now it's fine. Select the latest load and choose the correct previous driver position from the drop-down. Creating a custom previous driver position. Need to manually set a custom position or add the driver's first position? Here's how. Click Add Stop and select Other. Enter the title and custom location details starting with the zip code. Save it. Drag and drop this stop if needed. Override the empty miles. That's it. Now you know how to manage the previous driver position in ezLoads. Need extra help? Reach our support team at support@ezloads.net. Enjoy using ezLoads.